So in this video, as you can see, I'm going to do an unboxing of this two things I got from Kmart today. Hello beauties and gents, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So if you are new here, then my name is Mehzabin Pinky, and if you wish to see more of my future videos like this, I make lots of videos here on my channel, different types of videos. So if you want to see more, then do subscribe to my channel, do turn on the bell notification, follow me around. Social media links are below in the description box. So literally I just thought of not doing this, but then my kids said no, you should do it because everyone loves your Kmart whole videos. So I thought, okay, why not? I just went to Kmart just because after picking up kids from school, I thought, okay, I need an air fryer because my air fryer stopped working. The last one I got, I think I showed you guys in my whole video. So I think 2 years ago last time I bought, but like it stopped working, and like I didn't like the way it looks. Like Kmart here has that air fryer, like it was $89. Then I didn't like it, so I got the other one, and this one is let me just show you guys first this one. So this one is a 12-liter convection oven. So I wanted the air fryer, but this one I think has all, and it looks like this. As you can see, it looks like this. Show you guys. Okay, it looks like this, and it's a convection oven. Like my microwave's convection oven is not working, so like I don't want to use my other big oven, so it gets dirty, but this one is easy to clean. So let's see. So like it says here, 12-liter convection oven functions include roast, grill, bakes, and defrost, so which is really good. And also hot air circulation cooks and browns food fast and evenly. And cool touch silicone ring and 60-minute timer and variable temperature control up to 250 degrees. So which is really good, and literally I think I'm going to love this because I just want to use it. So okay, it comes with this thing. Okay, this is the top part. I think this is the lid. It comes with a handle. This, I should have done this in my kitchen, but like it's literally very messy, and like, so I thought I'm going to do it in my beauty room. So this is like this, and let me open the other things. It's very nicely, neatly packed, so it has the user manual, how to use, and what else. It has these things here, like this, four different stuffs. I think this is just like this, and this one is the smaller one. And yeah, I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I think I'm gonna be inserting a clip here so you will see it. And let me, okay, this is the main pot where we are going to like put everything in. Last thing is this one. Looks like this. So on this, I think this glass will go on top like. It will look somewhat like this. You can just put those stuffs in here. And then this has the switch here, and the switch is on this thing. And this one is only $45 in Kmart, and I got this one just because like I literally love the look of this product. Like literally it looks so good and so classy kind of stuff. So that's why I got this. And like the other one, air fryer, was like $89. So I thought I'm not going to get that one because like I don't like it, because I saw on Kogan, it's a website, and they had lots of very nice looking air fryers there, but like the ones I liked, it was out of stock. So I thought I'm going to get this one. I'll try because it's only $45, so it's nothing to lose here. So doesn't matter, it works for 1 year. I'll be happy with this. But the other one, air fryer, I got from Kmart, it worked for like 2 years, I will say, or a little more than 2 years. I'm not even sure about it now, but like that air fryer is literally good, and like for 2 years it's worth buying for $89 because I used for everything, like literally for everything. I got this, whatever, rice cooker, 10 cup. Okay, let's open. Okay, comes with the user manual, and it's very nicely packed. It's the lid here. And this rice cooker was how much was it? I think $39 or $35. I think $39. A steamer thing on top. Like I literally love steaming my vegetables all the time before dinner, so I think this will be okay. So this steamer thingy which goes on top, and then we have the power cord here, and I've got this cup, little cup thingy here for the rice, and this is the pot. It's for 10 cups, and this is the actual thing. So this one cooks white rice and brown rice too, which is really good, and it keeps it warm, and it also saute and also steam. So this is really good for $35. Like you can like saute your onions and other stuffs if you want to. So it's really good. And I don't know, it has a spoon here. Okay, this is how it looks, but like when you are not using the steamer, then this is how this will look. Like literally I like it, and for $35 it's literally good, because like You can cook brown rice, white rice, and steam and saute, and like you can keep your stuffs warm here too, your food warm, like literally good. So I'm going to like bake some stuffs there. So let's see, like I'm going to bake dinner because it's night time. As you can see outside, it's getting dark. Yeah, so yeah, this is it, just a little unboxing video, and I'm going to insert clips now, then you can watch. And thanks so much for watching. If you want to see more, then subscribe, like, comment and share my videos. I will catch you all later in my next video.